Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Skyrim game on your device, and you can start playing by creating a new game right away. Now, in order to change your control settings, just press the escape button to pause your game. Now, within the system menu, you will see the controls section. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now show you the various different buttons that have been assigned within your keyboard. If you wish to change any of these buttons, just go ahead and click on it, and you can then press your desired new button, which will be mapped right away. You can follow the same pattern to remap all of your buttons, and then just press the escape button to save your changes. After this, you can continue to play your game with your customized controls. And if you wish to change it at any point of time, once again, you can follow the same steps. Go into controls from the system settings, and then change your buttons based on your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.